All right, everybody, so as you can tell by the title, we are tearing back into the 6-liter that we did the oil cooler on. Now, we're not tearing back into it to fix a problem that we had. We're tearing back into it because in that video, I told you guys that I'd be putting a billet water pump in. Well, unfortunately, the water pump was the wrong size. It was for a later year 6-liter. So we sent that back. We ordered another one, and we've just been running it, making sure everything's good, everything's sealed up. It's actually my dad's truck, so he's been running it through work and using it, so we wanted to make sure everything was good to go on the truck. Now it's been about 2 months, and we know that everything is good on this truck, so we decided, all right, we have the part, let's put the billet water pump in. So we are back in it. We're going to tear the fan shroud out, put the billet water pump in from Bulletproof Diesel, which has had really good reviews. If you guys will link it in the description, if you guys want to bulletproof your water pump, it's much better than sending, if something happens, the plastic fins break, it's much better than having plastic fins in your engine. So we are going to be putting that in. We are also going to be doing a blue spring kit, which if you've never heard of, it's just a spring that holds a little bit more fuel in the fuel bowl for the fuel filter. It just keeps it circling through a little bit better. The flow rate's a little bit better. We're pretty sure this is the stock one, so we're going to upgrade and put a blue spring kit in it, and then we're going to have Dad drive it for a while. We're going to put fresh GO5 coolant in it and make sure everything's good to go. So hope you guys enjoy this video. We're tearing right back into it, so see you guys in there. All right, everybody, so we got the water pump out. So we'll show you the difference here in just a second of what the billet water pump looks like and the stock one looks like. All right, so as you can tell, this one is the stock one, and these are plastic fins. So when these shatter, they just go through all the coolant or the coolant lines and everything, and your engine big time. So this is the upgraded one. This is from Bulletproof Diesel. This is a fully billet wheel here. Yeah, this one's a 100 millimeter. The one that we had ordered that was wrong was a 90 millimeter. So obviously it's not going to work. So we ordered the right one. We're going to be putting this one back in, new gaskets and fresh coolant. All right, so we got the stock spring out and we got the fitting off. So what we're going to do is take this piece right here, this housing piece, and put it on the vise and very gently put this in and change out these O-rings first, obviously. And then we're going to be installing the blue spring and this little plastic deal that goes inside the fuel filter housing. And we're going to put it all back together, and then we're going to put our new thermostat in and this hose back on, put the new water pump in, and start putting everything back together. What's up, everybody? So we finished everything up. We buttoned it up. You saw we got it started. We just took it for a quick test drive, and we did find that the fuel filters need to be done. The water and fuel light keeps coming on every time we accelerate. So we're going to change those out, and I think it's good to go. Other than that, it runs and drives perfectly fine. The coolant looks great. No more lag on the fuel side, so everything's working out good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, check out our others.